Alright family, so this video is gonna be a little different. I'm gonna show you guys some of my morning routines going into the afternoon. So this is a little spot that I like to come to in Rawway. It's called the Coffee Box. They make the best coffees and they have vegan options. Just check out the atmosphere. That's the owner right there, Jeff. He's so cool. So if you ever downtown New Jersey, this is the spot for some good coffee, guys. They also have vegan options. Alright family, so we on our way to Target where I'm going to show you a lot of vegan options. You guys already know I don't eat a lot of processed foods, but this place is very good for those that are transitioning. They have your salads, they have tofu, they have a lot of things. This is my favorite bitchin' sauce. I use this sauce to make my halal chicken over rice, which is vegan as well. So this sauce helps because remember, the white sauce that they use have a lot of ingredients in it that we're not able to use because we're vegan. Sodium ain't too bad. You got 135. You got your oat milk if you drink your coffee. They also have almond milk. They have the Next Milk Silk, which is a different brand, thicker. They also have the other brands. You can see the price, reasonably priced. If this is the only option you have, why not? You see, you got your Miyoko's cheese. She has her cheese everywhere. This is organic. It's made with cashews. You got your shreddable cheese right here if you want to throw that on some tacos or some pizza. She makes everything and it's reasonably priced. You also have your cream cheeses from Miyoko's, which is good as well. But my favorite is definitely the Kite Hill. It tastes just like cream cheese, as if it is real authentic cream cheese. So you gotta definitely try that, and it's reasonably priced for the quality that it is. And you got the spreadable, which is the cream cheese with the chives. Love me some chives with some gluten-free crackers. You got some creamers. You got some tempeh. For those that do not mind using soy, that has soy in it, but they do have the kinds without the soy. You got your little wraps. You got the hot dogs. Just be mindful, guys, of the sodium content in some of these processed foods. You got mushrooms. You got your carrots, reasonably priced. Again, if you want to make some sandwiches for your kids, you got the sandwich meat. It does have gluten, so it's wheat. If you have wheat sensitivity, you might want to stay away from that, but they are soy free, guys. All right, so I'm just showing you guys a little bit about what Target has to offer, because Target is everywhere. You got also some tofu. You got some breakfast sausages. I used to eat that, but I'm not into buying all the process. All right, something I want to show you guys. This looks like it's vegan because it's in the vegan aisle, but this item right here contains eggs. All right, it might say vegan, not even vegan, but dairy free, but that doesn't mean that it doesn't have eggs. So there, right there, this has eggs. All right, guys, so please be mindful of what you're eating, especially if you're trying to go plant-based. Going back and forth can get you sick. You got some yogurt. They got some breakfast meat. They got the Morning Star, which is now fully vegan, but still always check the back for the nutritional facts, just in case, guys. You never know. I don't want you guys getting sick, especially if you have any allergies. Some of us are vegan, but some of us do have allergies. Like, look at the chicken nuggets, the falafel. The falafel has a great amount of sodium, which I wasn't happy for. You could always make it at home, but if you're just trying to do something quick, there it is, 550 milligrams of salt. Just don't put nothing else in it if you are watching your salt. But if you're not, sprinkle a little Himalayan salt, some liquid aminos, and you're good. All right, guys, so this does contain a little soy, so if you guys are soy intolerant, might want to stay away from that. All right, guys, but I'm just showing you guys how far we have come in this plant-based vegan world, because look at all of this vegan stuff. I couldn't believe how much vegan items I saw at Target. But like I said, just be mindful with the sodium. Now we on our way to Blaze Pizza to get some pizza. This is gonna be a gluten-free vegan pizza. So for my pizza, I'm only gonna put some mushrooms, onions, some garlic, because you know I love me some garlic, some tomatoes. Just showing you the environment. It's a beautiful place. I am in Clark, New Jersey. Check it out. All gluten-free, soy-free, vegan pizza, guys. You definitely gotta try this place out. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a wonderful day. Peace.